Have you ever wondered what happens if you eat chia seeds every single day? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about what will happen to your body if you add chia seeds to your diet every single day. Chia seeds are tiny, but they pack a serious nutritional punch. Let's break down the benefits and the potential downsides so you can decide if they deserve a permanent spot in your daily meals. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which means when you eat them, they absorb water and form a gel-like substance in your gut. This helps to keep digestion smooth, supports healthy bowel movements, and can prevent constipation. You can just soak them in water, add a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons in a glass, and then you can squeeze a lemon for a few minutes or mint leaves for extra flavor. They are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, which play a role in reducing inflammation and supporting your heart health. You can just snack them, like make a quick chia yogurt bowl. Just mix the chia into the plain yogurt with honey and a few berries, and you just snack on that. Another amazing benefit is how they help stabilize blood sugar levels because chia seeds slow down absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. They can reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. This makes them a great addition for anyone concerned about blood sugar control. And here's one that most people love. Chia seeds help you feel full and satisfied for longer. When they expand in your stomach, they give you that full feeling, which can help you reduce snacking and support healthy weight management. Sprinkle a few chia seeds over your salad for a crunch. Chia seeds are a surprising source of bone-strengthening minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Just a couple of tablespoons gives your bones a boost. And let's not forget the antioxidants they are loaded with, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. You can just stir a teaspoon into a warm cup of herbal tea. While chia seeds are full of goodness, there are a few things to watch out for. Eating too much fiber too quickly can cause bloating, gas, or even diarrhea, especially if your body isn't used to high fiber foods. So start with small quantities and increase gradually. Also, never eat them completely dry and then drink water. They absorb liquid and expand, which could pose a choking risk. Always mix them in a liquid first, like water, juice, or into a yogurt. There is also a small note for anyone on blood thinning medications. Chia seeds have natural blood thinning properties due to their omega-3 content. While it's rarely an issue, it's best to consult your doctor if you're on medication. And though rare, some people may have allergic reactions, so pay attention on how your body responds. So, what's the safe amount? About 1 or 2 tablespoons a day. That's all you need to get the benefits without overdoing it. Chia seeds are small but mighty food. When used wisely, they can improve digestion, support heart health, stabilize blood sugar, and keep you feeling full. Just remember to introduce them gradually and always pair them with liquids. Thank you for watching.